Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good day, grade 6 pupils. I am Teacher Hidayah B. Dumato. You can call me Teacher Aya or Teacher Hidayah. So I'm gonna be your teacher in science. How's your day? Are you in a good condition? We must always remember this. Yes, health is wealth. That's why we need to take care of our health by eating healthy foods, doing exercise, and take a bath every day. Is that okay? Kids, are you ready to learn, to explore, to discover, and to experiment? If you are ready, let's go!
What is the most important meal of the day? That's correct. It's breakfast. What is black coffee made of? Sugar, coffee powder, and hot water. What is fried rice made of? If your answer are oil, garlic, onion, spring onion, you've got the correct answer.
Today, we're going to be discussing Science 6, Quarter 1, Week 1 to 3, mixture and their characteristics. So here are the objectives of our lesson, and I want you to read after me. Number 1, explain the meaning of mixture. Number 2, identify the two kinds of mixture. Number 3, describe the appearance of homogeneous and heterogeneous. Number 4, perform beneficial and useful mixture. Now, to know more about mixture, we will have an activity. Activity 1, letter A, on page 1 on your module. Are you excited? If you are excited, come on, let's go!
Here are the materials and procedure. Kailangan nating gumamit ng 3 transparent glasses with water, sugar, flour, and sandy soil. Tatakan natin ng letrang A, B, C ang bawat baso at lagyan ito ng tigkakalahating tubig. Sa glass A, ilagay na natin ang sugar at haluin ito ng 3 to 5 minutes. Sa glass B, ilagay na natin yung flour at haluin ito ng 3 to 5 minutes. Sa glass C, ilagay na natin yung sandy soil at haluin din ito ng maayos. Here is the result of our mixtures.
After the activity letter A, you're going to record all your observations in the bags.
If your answer are colorless, white, brown, you've got the correct answer. What is the effect of water in the mixture? You've got the correct answer.
Here are the guided questions that you have to answer.
In which mixture did the added substances spread evenly? The answer is water and sugar. Which substance sank to the bottom of the glass? Sandy soil and water mixtures, flour and water mixture.
Do you know what is the similarity of coffee, soil, air, and our favorite banana Q? Yes, that's correct. They are all mixture. Coffee composed of sugar, hot water, and coffee powder. Soil composed of different kinds of minerals. Air composed of nitrogen, oxygen, and another gases. Banana Q is composed of sugar, oil, and banana. To know more about mixture, let us read the definition of mixture, and I want you to read after me. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay ang mixture ay binubuo ng dalawa, tatlo, o mas marami pang substances or compound. Naaalala niyo pa si Atom? Hindi si Atom na journalist.
Ang atoms ay ang mga maliliit na particles na bumubuo sa lahat ng bagay o matter tulad ng bag at saka marker pen. Pag pinagsama ang dalawang atoms ng hydrogen, isang atom ng oxygen, makakabuo tayo ng water. Pag pinagsama ang isang atoms ng sodium, isang atoms ng chlorine, makakabuo tayo ng salt.
Water and salt are pure substances. Ano ang pure substances? Ang pure substances is yan yung mga substance na mahirap paghiwalayin. Sana all! What do you call the mixture of salt and water?
The answer is solution.
Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Consists of solute and solvent. Solute is the one who is being dissolved, while the solvent is the one who will dissolve the substance.
Here is your assessment. Describe the following mixtures. If your answer are halo-halo is a mixture of banana, mango, jackfruit, coconut milk ice cream, peanuts. Beef pinakbit is a mixture of beef, string beans, okra, eggplant, ampalaya, shrimp, onion, garlic, oil, and water. That's correct.
Did you learn something from this lesson? Let me hear you say triple yes. Yes. So alhamdulillah, you learned something from me. So I hope we will meet again for the next video. Always remember, do not hesitate to learn, to explore, to discover, and to experiment. It's me again, your teacher Hidayah B. Dumato, your science teacher, saying, Wassalam!